Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are all fine and have a good time at home. Today we start exercise 3B of 7th class and it is very important topic, factorization. We solve the quadratic equation by factorization. So first we know that what is factors. If I have a number 6, its factor is to multiply 3. So I convert 6 into factors. But in this exercise we make the factors of quadratic equations. We know that quadratic equations, the expressions which have the highest power is 2. A square plus 9a plus 8. Highest power is 2 and the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. So here x square is the highest power is 2. Then the single power and then constant. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x and c is constant. So here variable is a and its quadratic expressions a square, a and constant. So here I have quadratic equation a square plus 9a plus 8. So method to convert the factors, make the factors. First we multiply the coefficient of highest power. A square coefficient is 1 with 8. So when we multiply constant with the highest coefficient of power, its coefficient is 1, 8 multiply 1 is we get 8. So we break the middle number into the form of we get 8 and when we make simplify of these number we get 9a. So first we find these numbers which product is 8. So I have two numbers 8 multiply 4 is 8 and 8 multiply 1 is 8. So when I simplify 2 and 4 I cannot get 8. If I simplify 2 plus 4 I get 6. When I multiply 4 minus 2 I get 2. So I use other factor 8 and 1. When I add 8 plus 1 then I get 9. The middle number is 9. So I use these two numbers. So I break 9a into 8a plus a. Its coefficient is 1. So when I add 8a plus a I get 9a, same numbers. I just break the 9a into two numbers. These are 8a plus a. Now I take commons. I see that which numbers is common in first two terms. So here a is common. So I take a common, it's mean I divide these two terms with a. When I divide a square with a, we know that when we divide same numbers, same variables, a power will be cut. Its power is 1, its power is 2. So 2 minus 1 remain power 1. So when I take common from a square, remaining here is a. So I take common again 8a. So take common 8 and left is a plus here no number is common here. So where is nothing common? So then we take common 1. So 1 is everywhere common. So remain as it is. So now we see that 8 plus a plus 8 same numbers. So we take a plus 8 commons. So here I take a plus 8. So left is a remain and there is 1. So these are the factor of a square plus 9a plus 8. A plus 8 into a plus 1. So take other example. Other part is b square. So other part is b square plus 8b plus 15. So again we use the same method. First multiply the constant with the highest power, its coefficient. 15 multiply 1 we get the 15. So I break 8 into two numbers which product is 15 and the simplification we get the 8b. So first 3 multiply 5 only the numbers when I get 15 and other number is when multiply 15 with 1 I get the 15. So these two factors 3 and 5 and 15 and 1. So which useful for me 8b. Which combination make the 8b? So I use 3 plus 5 that is 8. So I need 3b plus 5b is equal 8b addition. It does not matter when I write, either I write 5b plus 3b. Does not matter if I change their positions. So b square, I break 8b into two numbers. These are 3b plus 5b. 3b plus 5b plus 15. So I first look which number common in first two terms. So b square plus 3b in both first two terms. So I take b. When I take b common from the b square, so here remain is b. Then sign, same sign, plus. Then I take from b from 3b, so only left 3. Then plus 5b plus 15. Which number is common? So 5 plus 15, 5 is here common. So divide with the 5. 5 cut with 5, only left 5 plus 5 3s are 15. We divide 15 with 5. Here remain is 3. So here I get the same numbers b plus 3. So I take b plus 3 common. So here remain 5b and here remain 5. So these are the factor. So as I say that if we change their positions, it does not matter and no change occur. So I take here 3b plus 5b, but now I change 5b plus 3b. So from here b square plus 3b, so I change these two numbers, 5b plus 3b, I change their positions. So first b common from first two terms, so I take b plus 5, so here common is 3b plus 15, common is 3. 3 cut with 3, remain 5b and 3 5s are 15. So again b plus 5 common numbers in both. Now this is one term and this is second. So b plus 5 is common, so here left b plus 3. Same the factor b plus 3 and b plus 5. So I took other part of exercise 3b, a square plus 2h minus 120. So first method is first multiply constant with the coefficient of highest power. Its coefficient is 1. So 120 multiply with 1, we get the 120. So it does not matter, we get the product of two number is greater number, just like 120. Here we get only 8 and here we get 15. So first we know that these two numbers which product is 120. So in my mind 15 8s are 120 and 12 10s are 120 and also many other numbers which product is 120, but which useful for me according to this term, these expressions, I need to h. So I simplify 12h minus 10h, that is equal to 2h, positive 2h. I use these two numbers 12 and 10. So right here a square 2h convert into these two numbers 12h minus 10. Just like that, if I have 12, I write the 2 into 12 minus 10, I get 2. Minus 120. So here in first two term h is common, we take a square common, h left h and 12 when we take common h. So both are negative, so negative sign is also common. So negative plus and 10 and 120 common number is 10. First way, and when we multiply or divide, we first multiply their signs. Minus with minus plus, 10 divided with 10 we get only h. Minus again plus and 10 12s are 120. So again we get the same numbers. So take common h plus 12. So here remain h and here minus 10. So these are the factor of a square plus 2h minus 120. So today we only solve the which highest power and its coefficient is 1. Here is also coefficient is 1. Here is also coefficient is 1. Here also coefficient is 1. Today we make the only factors of quadratic expression which highest power contain the coefficient is 1. So this is today math lecture. Thank you so much.